Let us understand division of integers. Division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Let us see few examples. 15 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, or 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So we can say that for each multiplication statement, this is one multiplication statement, there are two division statements. Let us see. First, it is written as 15 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Let us divide both the sides with 3. So 15 divided by 3, we can simply write it down as 15 divided by 3 is equal to 3 and 3 will cancel each other and we will have only 5. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. This is what we have written here. And other way we can also write like 15 equal to 3 multiplied by 5. Let us divide both the sides with 5. So we have 15 divided by 5 is equal to this 5 and this 5 will cancel each other and we will have only 3. This is what I have written here. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So multiplication for one statement, there are two statements of division. Let us see another example. 18 is equal to 6 multiplied by 3. This is how we write 18. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3, and 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So for each multiplication statement, we have two division statements. And now let us find out what will be the sign of division when we divide one integer with other integer. This is a simple table. Let me write it down. Sign of division. When we divide two positive integers, then the result of the division will have a positive value. When we divide one positive integer with one negative integer, then the result will have negative value. When we divide one negative integer with one positive integer, then we get a negative value. And when we divide two negative integers, then we are going to get one positive value. Let us find out one example each. Positive integer divided by a positive integer like 6 upon 3 is equal to 2. So this is pretty straightforward. When we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, suppose 6 divided by minus 3, then we need to perform division on whole numbers, that is 6 divided by 3 is 2, then we have minus sign. This is our second example. Third type is that when we have a negative integer divided by a positive integer, suppose minus 6 is divided by 3. Again, the division will follow whole number thing. So like we need to divide whole numbers first. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and minus negative integer when divided by a positive integer, then we have a negative value minus 2. And finally minus 6 divided by minus 3, then we are going to have only 2, positive 2 plus 2, because when two negative integers are divided, then we are going to get a positive value. So this is how it works. Other ways we can also say that a divided by minus b is equal to minus a divided by b when b is not equal to 0, and minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b where b is not equal to 0. Now let us say we have an integer a is an integer, then any integer divided by 0, that is a divided by 0, will have a meaningless value. I mean, a divided by 0 is not possible. Equal to its value cannot be defined. And when 0 divided by an integer other than 0, then its value is equal to 0. That is, when 0 is divided by a, when a is not equal to 0, then its value will be 0. So 0 divided by a when a is not equal to 0 will be 0. Other property is that any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. So let us see for same integer a, when a will be divided by 1, then we will get value a. So these are some properties, some rules, some methods to perform division on integers. In my next videos, I will give more examples, more properties of division that will be helpful when we perform division on any sort of integers, any kind of integers. Thank you for watching.